Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make pumpkin pie in Horse Valley. Preheat your oven to the correct temperature and prepare a 9-inch pie dish. Clean and roast your pumpkin until tender, then blend it smooth. Mix spices, sugar, eggs, and cream in a large bowl and combine with pumpkin puree. Pour into the crust and bake until the center sets, then cool before serving. Start by roasting small pie pumpkins until they are soft and caramelized for a rich base. While they cool, make a flaky crust or use store-bought if short on time. Combine pumpkin puree with sugar, spices, eggs, and cream, then pour into the partially baked crust. Bake just until the filling is set with a gentle wobble, then let the pie cool thoroughly for clean slices. For personalized flavor, tweak the spice blend and add a touch of vanilla or molasses. Swap crusts to match your mood, such as ginger snap for spice or nutty pecan for crunch. Bake times vary by oven, so use the wobble test to judge doneness. Let the pie cool fully before slicing to maintain structure, and store leftovers covered in the fridge for several days for best taste.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.